What we're going to do next is to move this loft into this box. So what that means is that I've turned off the floor layer so that I could just see the bottom of this thing. And what I'm going to do is to move this loft. So the command is move, or the icon piece is that right there, move, or you could go to transform, move. Whichever way, select the object, and then we're going to go from this lower right or lower left hand corner and bring it into the inside right there. If we do that, we can now move this piece up to the correct elevation of 8 feet. Okay, so 8 foot, if I did it perfectly at 8 foot, this dimension right here will be 8 foot 9 inches because of the thickness of this loft. So we could verify that. So distance from there to there is 8 foot 9. So we don't want to do that. Or we could just take this thing and move it down negative 9 inches, and that'll bring it to the 8 foot correct elevation. Or Control Z, Control Z, Control, or what we can do is do a little bit of math, and if I want the top of this loft to be 8 foot above the floor of the first floor, then all I have to do is take the thickness of the loft out, which means that if this is 8 foot, what I want to do is to move it up 7 foot 3 because of the minus the 9 inches loft thickness. So 7 foot 3 should get me distance from there to there would be 8 foot exactly. Okay. However, if I really hate doing math altogether, I could move this piece. So if I move it from the top of this loft area and move it to the corner right there, which would be the top of the floor, right? Because there I have the top of the floor. If I turn this off, now this is the top. So if I just go ahead and move this thing exactly 8 foot, that should be at 8 foot floor to floor. So that's how we get the correct level of the floor into our loft. Okay, and it's above the opening of the windows and such, so it doesn't interfere with the area. Okay.